Hello, I am Veer Singh RMPA under the registration number EG2020473. Here's the project explanation video of Applied Big Data Engineering Mini Project Assessments. My architecture diagram. I use Docker for containerization and use Python for the producer and as the main language, and used Kafka, Spark, PostgreSQL, and Airflow for the project. So I use the scenario to fintech fraud detection, and here's my producer. I used like merchant categories, grocery, restaurant kind of things, and different countries, US, UK, Canada kind of countries. So here I generate random data for the project, and I generate normal transactions and also the abnormal transactions, and I use these kind of parameters for the details of the payment. First of all, as a fraud, I used if user make a payment within 10 minutes for in different countries, it uh, identifies as fraud. Also, I am checking these parameters. Here is my consumer fraud detection stream.python file, and I am defining the transaction schema and read the stream. And if the amount is more than $5,000, is detected as a high value fraud. Also, the things categorized as impossible travel or amount. Also, I used Airflow for DAGs and Nudge kind of operations, and I configured the DB and kind of details. So I implemented into as the interval in 6 hours. By 6 hours, it will run automatically and detects the frauds and kind of things. And as I mentioned before, I used Docker for all of the containerization of Airflow, Spark, Kafka, Zookeeper, PostgreSQL kind of things. And I use some script file for run all of the commands that I want, like setup Docker and things, start the producer, consumer, all of things. Let's run the project. I'm going to start the services, the Docker and stuffs. You can see the containers are running, and you can see the Kafka topic also created, and all the database setup and kind of things are okay. Let's check the Spark. Yeah, you can see there's 0 running applications. So the Airflow shows the fraud detection DAG, and if I turn on this, it runs every 6 hours. Here I didn't turn on that because of I can't wait 6 hours for this video. Let's start our consumer, the Spark job. Apache Spark UI shows that there's one running application because we started the consumer. Now let's run our producer. You can see it creates random transactions, credit card transactions, high value, impossible travel kind of. I planned here for 500 transactions. Yeah, the producer job has finished. Now let's see how is the analyzed report as show the thing. It shows the figures we want, the fraud by category, and also it gives the final report as PDF. This runs every 6 hours and detects what are the frauds have happened. We can plan the amount we want, like past 7 days, past 24 hours kind of things. Every 6 hours it's run and give the final report. That's all. Thank you.